Today we're going to make some printed vinyl, and let's just say for today we're going to go with a turtle. Ooh, look at all these lovely turtle designs. I think these guys are cute. You're going to go through here and pick one that works for you. Let's say we like this one. Okay, once you've picked your design, you're going to go and pick this size you want to print on. You have a sheet, mini roll, half yard by the yard. You can see the dimensions right there. We're going to go with a half yard for this demonstration. And once we've done that, we're going to click to the next step. Here in our little workshop, we have the design. You can see the size of it. Right here, the width is 18 inches, and the length, if you scroll down, is 52 inches. And right now it's fit to the screen, or you can also zoom out to see it at 25%. And here you can see the entire pattern a little better. From there, you can change the size of the individual pattern. Right now it's at 12, but if you I'm going to go down to 5 by 5, or 5 by, it's going to adjust the ratio for you. Now it's at 5 by 5, and you can see it repeats a little bit more. You can even make it smaller, go down to 2, and it makes it a very small. Here, I'm going to zoom in, fit it to the screen so you can see what that looks like. Right now it's at a 2 by 2 inch repeating, but if it was at a 12 by 12 inch repeating, it would look like that. All right, so let's say we wanted a 2 by 2, our pattern at 2 by 2. Okay, so you can have the layout a few different ways. It can be a brick layout, it can be one pattern in the center, which is going to be very small, of your design. It can be vertically, a vertical strip, or it can be a half drop or mirrored. Ooh, mirror's kind of cool. Let's say we like that. From there, we're going to, you can change the color. There's more. And then if you have a last minute change, you can change the pattern or size of your design. One more thing. You can rotate the image if you'd like, if you want it to be a different orientation. That is what you do here. I'm not going to continue because sometimes you get the spinning wheel of doom. And if you do get that, you just have to go back and restart your image. And then, all right, once we're done, we're happy with what we want. You can change the quantity if you'd like. You confirm, and you go to order. Now, very important, we want you to make sure you're happy. So you're going to go to download your proof. We would highly recommend that. Occasionally, the pop-up that shows you your proof may not show up. You may have a pop-up blocker preventing it from showing. Just make sure you go and disable that. And it is going to pull up the PDF of your design. And here it is. It's got our little watermark on it. And you can click up in the top right here to download that to you wherever you'd like. You can save it, and then if you can open it, and in Adobe Acrobat, you can see what it looks like. And I'm going to say that makes me happy. I'm going to go back to the web page. I'm going to click on that I have checked my proof, and I'm going to proceed to cart, where I will then check out because I'm happy.